Inspired by Avatar, Waterways, here's what you can ride on the Examun Pandora. The Mercedes Benz Vision AVTR was first unveiled at his 2020 CES and now runs on its own. The concept was reportedly inspired by the original hit movie Avatar, which was set in a naturalistic, car-free supernatural paradise. There is currently a sequel, Avatar, The Way of Water. There is no AVTR Vision in this movie. In November, Mercedes and the producers of Avatar, The Way of Water invited several journalists to the studio in El Segundo, California, where Avatar creator James Cameron is based. There, we saw several clips from the new film and tested the Vision AVTR concept among some impressive props from Cameron's previous films, including The Terminator, Alien, and Titanic. As is often the case in the film industry, I think the clips shown are pretty good. But Mercedes-Benz attitude toward the film, which is set in a fictional world of blue giants who spend most of their time swimming, appears to be anything but vague. Humans react to their environment, explained John, one of the film's producers. Mr. Landau during a conference call. When you travel through the world of Avatar, everything changes. You become connected to and responsive to your environment. Bioluminescence, everything reacts when you touch it. And the machine does the same within its environment. Look, there is a link. Vision AVTR is truly futuristic. It's clearly a future where side door beams and seatbelts are useless, tires have accent lighting, small body flaps open and close like gills, and there is little need for cargo space. There is a separate tank inside the cabin. The Mercedes team used a real car to demonstrate some of the proposed technologies. This includes a comprehensive dashboard that illuminates and relays information primarily through projectors. A central control lever between the driver and passenger allows each to move the car forward, backward, left or right. The AVTR is not based on the current Mercedes, electric or not, and he uses 4 electric motors for nearly each of its giant wheels. Each motor and wheel can operate independently of the others, allowing the car to roll and turn roughly within the limits of its wheelbase. It is somewhat unclear how realistic or desirable the characteristics of AVTR are. But Mercedes says the motors have a total output of 350 kilowatts, or just over 469 horsepower. Rather than using industry-standard lithium-ion batteries, the battery uses graphene-based organic cell chemistry and can also be manufactured without rare earth minerals or other toxic substances. And it's recyclable. Mercedes estimates that charging the 100 kilowatt-hour battery will take just 15 minutes. It's time to go for a walk. When you get behind the wheel of a real car and drive under the California sun, you realize that you will still need effective air conditioning in the future. When large amounts of glass and other transparent materials are used, they must be exposed to significant amounts of sunlight. His AVTR, with its unfinished suspension and tires designed to look flashy rather than smooth, looked like it was roaring around the studio on the back of a safety golf cart. However, the ease of controlling the car using the center steering wheel was impressive. In the future, if connected cars constantly communicate with each other and there is artificial intelligence to keep traffic flowing, a magic wand may be enough for drivers. Of course, the future is unlikely to exactly follow technological advances. AVTR. And it's also unlikely that an accessible planet full of big blue people exists. But the interesting thing about the future is that it could be anything. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
I can't take it anymore. My mind's about to go to war. I need someone to save me from myself, to hear me cry when I call out for help. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano. Like a volcano. Blow it up like a volcano. What you do, what you do, what you do to me? Can't you see what it means when you're setting free? What you do, what you do, what you do to me? Can't you see what it means when you're setting free? Another day to lose control. There's a fire in my sight gets blurry, pushing back the tears. Should take a leap of faith and face my fear. I blame it on the voices that are in my head, wondering if they'll ever be put to bed. Feels like I am close to reaching my wit's end, holding out but I'm about to blow it up like a volcano.